little maintenance with this drum. I have to tighten the part down because I realized there's a bolt that's literally rattling around. Because when I had put this drum back together, I didn't tighten everything tight enough. Ooh. Smooth criminal. What y'all know about Michael Jackson? Not enough. As some of you. That's off the Premiere. I think so. Yeah, that's off the Premiere. I wonder how that got there. Oh, you know why? Because I was tuning both up at the same time. See? Oh, this is off the snare system. Okay. So, I mean, technically you do need this part, but problem is there's no bolt to hold on to this right here. Actually, I might have one. It's simple. I'm gonna put this in the case or the box. This nut goes right here with the snare system. All you need is a hex. I'm not sure what 6mm stopper. I'm not entirely sure, but it's something like this. But it has to be fitted for this. So you're gonna have to go to a hardware store if you want it on a drum. You don't really need it. There's parts missing inside of here, but it's all very sturdy. You don't have to worry. Everything is perfectly fine. That's all part of the horizontal. That's just a horizontal adjustment. So yeah, all good there.